rose clings tight to the lowland glen. Green rolls on and on and on. Quiet whispers where the trees have gone. And the smoke spinning round. Every hill a sacred ground. Pedal harder, breathing in. Where does it stop? Where does it begin? Sky stretches wide, painted pale blue. Clouds break apart to let the sun through. Shadow dances on the river's bend, chasing horizons that never end. Faster, faster, endless ride. The earth is vast, no place to hide. Endless spokes spinning round. Every hill a sacred ground. Pedal harder, breathing in. Where does it stop? Where does it begin? Tires hum a song beneath my feet. Each mile a heartbeat steady and sweet. Gravel whispers promises untold. The road ahead, the stories it holds. Wheels turning, dust rising slow. The sky so wide it could swallow the road. Mountains whisper, shadows below. I keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. The wind's a song I almost know. It hums, it hums, it hums. Endless horizon calling my name. Every mile different, every mile the same. Rolling forever, I can't turn away. Rivers shimmer like threads of glass. Fields stretch endless, nothing lasts. Clouds hang heavy like questions asked. I keep searching, keep searching, keep searching. What lies beyond? What lies beyond? A voice in the breeze pulls me along, step by step, chord by chord. It's not the end, it's the road. Endless horizon, calling my name. Every mile different, every mile the same. Rolling forever, I can't turn away. Pedals turning slow, front wheel hum, soft glow, dust in my teeth, big sky in my eyes, wind through my jacket, names every bone. I breathe out the city, let it die behind. Long quiet road, and I just keep rolling. Long quiet road, heart and chain both holding. Sustained effort, majestic line of day. Long quiet road, and I just keep going. Fence post ticking like a low worn clock. Creek keeps talking at my left side. Distant hills blue like they do not care. I chase that cool, thin, fading light. So I lean on every gentle rise. Let the country measure my time. Long quiet road, nothing to arrive to. Long quiet road, I'm already here.